So I'm an AE, account executive. My job is to guide buyers through the demo, and I love what I do. Bringing joy and happiness into people's lives. It's magical.
I'll just share my screen. Can everyone see that? I said, can everyone see that? Heard you the first time, just checking it twice. Elf humour. Well, it's not, to be fair, that's not mine, that's Santa's, but...
A lot of my buyers are snowed under, so it's my job to help them find that North Star metric.
Yeah, that's a great question. Let me park that in the stocking and we'll come back to it at the end. The sack's getting full, so no more questions.
In my role, I'm a product elf ticker and a chief elf evangelist.
I mean, the product works right out of the box.
Can also warm up cold leads on a cold demo with a hot cup of warm rapport.
You know, it's plug and slay.
With marshmallows. Should product demos be self-guided? You mean elf-guided?
Are these features live today? No.
Building and sharing interactive product demos with Storylane. Sure, they can explore the product at their own pace, but then they miss out on the elf experience. And my jokes.
Can anybody guess my favourite genre of music? Rap. But with a double, yeah, he's got it yet. Huh? Write it down. The people that don't get it, write it down and you'll... Christmas rap, yeah.
The future of B2B sales elf guided demos. That's what people want.